Hello, I'm Dominique Scott from Fine & Country. Welcome to Rodine Crescent. It's my absolute pleasure to show you this incredible home, arguably the best plot in Rodine. We have got amazing uninterrupted sea views and uninterrupted views of the Downs as well. The vista will never change. Let me show you around. This state-of-the-art eco home is quintessentially modern throughout. So you might be looking for a detached 5-bed, 5-bath family home. This one also is A-rated, has underfloor heating throughout, and I just love the way this huge living room connects to the kitchen diner. And who wouldn't love to cook and entertain in this fantastic kitchen diner? It's a very high-end German kitchen with top-of-the-range appliances. I just love the poured vinyl floor, feels so good underfoot. And the views, floor-to-ceiling windows, views galore. It's just a joy. Adjacent to the kitchen is an elegant office that overlooks the garden. The private rear garden backs directly onto the South Downs National Park. And now for the bedrooms. It's a wonderfully spacious master bedroom with stunning views. It's so peaceful. You've got a magnificent ensuite and not just a walk-in wardrobe, but a dressing room. From the architecturally interesting hallway, there are 3 further doubles, all with en-suites. An elegant spiral staircase leads up to an inviting reading room or yoga area, opening out onto an impeccable roof terrace, giving unparalleled views. On the lower ground floor, the versatile layout offers a mirrored home gym, which could also lend itself to a home cinema or media room use. There's a handy utility room, a plant room, which houses all the exceptional tech to smartly run the home. And there's an internal double garage. At the front of the property is a unique office space or bedroom 5 with ensuite, with its own private entrance should you wish to have an annex. The facade of Baumit render in white and grey, set alongside bold panels of sandstone cladding, framing the floor-to-ceiling windows and glass balconies. It really is all about the view. If you'd like to see it for yourself, give us a call.